Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get booth sign in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Farmers Market Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. The Farmers Market Update has been dropped in Grow a Garden, and when you travel to the Farmers Market, you will see a lot of booths there. And maybe some of you will need a booth sign to make your booth more captivating. And here I'll show you how you can get the booth sign. If you want to get the item guys, you need to join the trader event. And wait, let me show you the trade rewards. And you need to have at least streak 50 if you want to get this booth sign. And after you get streak 50, you will have 5.63% possibility or chance to get this booth sign. And you can use it to customize your booth in the farmers market world. And yeah, I haven't reached the streak 50 guys. I'm still trying to increase my streak. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the booth sign in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Farmers Market Update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!